Sichuan Lampure Daily Commodity Company Limited was established in 2015, located in Chengdu City, Sichuan Province, China. It is an integrated factory integrating R&D, production and sales of household paper, laundry detergent, cotton tissues, and other daily necessities. We take 100% virgin bamboo pulp as raw material. Our main products are facial tissue, toilet paper roll, pocket tissue, wet wipes, wet toilet paper, kitchen paper towel, and napkin. We have a strong production capacity, with a production base of more than 130 acres, more than 200 self-owned production lines, and an annual production capacity of more than 120,000 tons. We have certificates of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and FSC. With large production capacity, advanced production equipment, professional R&D teams, good quality control system, and good cost control system, Lampure provides good quality products and competitive price to customers. In the spirit of credible service, exquisite production process, Lampure warmly welcomed the clients from all over the world to visit and inquiry business with us. If you are interested in some of our products, please be free to visit our website or contact us for more information and pictures. We are looking forward to establishing long-lasting business relationships with you in the near future.